And we're getting the facts on a dam breach in the Willamette River. It's part of a big water project. So what went wrong and will it affect local communities? A Cofferdam is a temporary dam, and the one that breached is near Gladstone, but it's part of a project that will send water to Tigard and Lake Oswego. Tim Becker is live. And Tim, what have you learned?
Well, Jenny, the Cofferdam was built around a river intake pump station. We're going to show it to you right now. The city of Lake Oswego and, as you mentioned, Tigard, they're installing a new river intake pump for their water supply here on the Clackamas River. And about 5 o'clock yesterday afternoon is when that breach happened. I want to show you a little more of what happened. Let's go to some video. The Cofferdam is made from heavy sheet metal, they tell me. A sheet metal pile is what they call it, pounded into the riverbed and then welded together to keep any water out. They then pump out the water so they can work on the riverbed and or in an area that would normally be underwater. Well, this time, though, the rising water, there's a lot of volume running now down the river here on the Clackamas, and the current, they tell me, proved way too much, and the heavy sheet metal gave way. Nobody was hurt. Nothing is at risk anymore. They tell me that they're in the assessment stage right now. They're figuring out what to do next, but I had to ask how something like this happened in the first place. What went wrong? What happened with that dam? I mean, and why wasn't it strong enough to begin with the current that's coming down the river right now?
Well, we think that possibly that soils may have shifted outside of the Cofferdam, which caused some of the sheet pile to move.
Does the city of Lake Oswego have any liability or safety concerns in a situation like this?
We have contacted the River Patrol to let them know what's happening and have asked them to help keep people away.
Okay, back live, you're taking another look, and as you can see, not a lot of people really on the river this time of year to keep away, but still some liability and some safety concerns that they're looking at. They are, once again, assessing the situation back there. You can even see there's a bucket hanging up with some fellas. They're hanging right over the area that was behind the breached area and looking to see what they are going to do next. They also tell me that at this point, all the work they're doing is above the water level anyway, so that Cofferdam that was in place was really just sort of protecting where they were working, but they're still able to continue work above the water line. For now, reporting live along the Clackamas River, Tim Becker, KOIN 6 News.